Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I actually want to share a couple of exciting things with you guys, and I want to talk about what the future of the channel is, as well as a few exciting things like my Discord that you guys can join today to continue growing the community along with me. Now, like I always say guys, thank you so much for the support. We're almost at 750 subscribers, and I honestly never thought we'd get this big. I'm just a trader who's been trading for around 4 or 5 years, and I really wanted to share my analysis and my ideas with other people, with a community where I could get feedback and where I could help other traders and other people who might be struggling. And I feel like we really made a small community here. We really started to grow a lot over the last few weeks, and especially within the last month, I've seen our channel size multiply, and we should be hitting 1,000 subscribers by the next 2 months. And with that, made me very excited to create a place where everybody in the community could come together and look for answers that they might need, look for some support, and even talk to other people within the community. And that's why I actually created a Discord. Now, I want to show you what's in this Discord and why I'm so excited to share these opportunities with you guys, as I see a lot of people in the comments asking me not only for a place where they can come chat with others and be part of a community, but also where they can find my daily plays, daily ideas, and other things that are going to help them trade and become better as a trader themselves. So I'm going to switch over to that Discord right now, guys. Okay guys, so this is the Discord here, and I actually created this over the last few weeks with the help of a few professional community Discord managers that I know on a personal basis, and they really helped me make this a place where you can come for answers, come for a lot of support, and potentially come to make a lot of money. And that's why I'm really excited to present this opportunity. I want to show you a few of the channels that we offer here and a few of the things that are going to be happening in the future with this Discord. Now, just to start it off, how to join, you can click the link down below to come directly to the Discord, or you can head over to my Patreon, link also down below, where it will be a subscription style to join the Discord. And if you've been asking me for plays over the last few days, you're going to be very excited to know what we actually have in this Discord and what you're going to become a part of when you join the Discord. Now, channels info here is going to be all the info on what channels we offer. You can see that we have a couple basic channels about important things like the rules, how to join in the terms. And then we also have tickets for help for people who might want to ask a direct question to me or a question about the Discord. And then we have our chats. Now, our trading chats are going to be about any topic related to investing. They're going to be about stock market, about cryptocurrency, about Forex, and even about penny stocks, which I know a lot of you guys like to trade on a daily basis. And that way you can get a better idea of what other people are also thinking about these penny stocks, about these crypto trades, about trading in general. And I'm going to be very active in these chats, especially during market hours, where I hope to provide you guys with some solid information and hopefully help you guys trade better. And you guys can also help me as a trader to know if I'm doing the right or wrong thing to provide you guys information with. Now, this is the part that I'm most excited about for the people that might need help and might need ideas to get going as a trader, and that's going to be my daily watch list. Now, the daily watch list is basically stocks that are meant to move on that day, and I'm going to tell you what price levels I'm watching, for what reason, and I'm going to show you my technical analysis on the charts so you can be well versed in knowing when a stock is going to move. Now, like you may know, a lot of stocks like to pause and not do anything for multiple days. However, there are stocks that on a single day, they can move 10, 12%. And how can you really know when this is going to happen? You need to know what these technical analysis skills are, and you need to learn how to do this as a trader if you really want to profit over the long run. And that's what I hope to show you guys with this daily watch list. What stocks are ready to move that day, for what reason, and what prices am I watching them at? Now, my Robinhood Simplified Trades here, my Robinhood Simplified Trades channel is going to be about my actual daily trades and callouts. What am I buying or selling on that day? At what price? What specific options am I buying or selling? For what reason? My exact technical analysis breakout on the 3-minute, 5-minute, 1-hour chart, whatever it is, I'm going to post the pictures here. And I want to show you guys a few examples of that I've actually posted for the first few people who might join the Discord. Now, I already have 2 or 3 people in the Discord, And I'm actually very excited because I shared the link directly to some subscribers in the channel and they actually joined right away. So I really want to stress that this is a great value that I'm providing here. And the channel, the Discord is going to have 2 different price levels where you can decide what your needs are as a trader. And that way you can be better suited and better helped by this Discord. So like I said, we have a daily watch list. That's going to be for our silver members here. And then we have the daily trades where I'm going to post exactly what I did on that day. And you can see that I actually had a few plays today that I'm very proud of. We had the Starbucks breakout here, and I showed you guys in the morning the Starbucks breakout. It was going to happen. The red candle where you were probably going to get your best prices on options or stocks. And then I told you what price I'm looking for some resistance and where I think this trade is going to stop out. And then I showed you NIO, which I have been long on for a few weeks. And I said it's ready to break out right now. I'm holding this many shares at this price, and I'm looking to sell at so-and-so price. And I think this is going to be one of the best things for traders who need ideas to get started, who are unsure of what to look at on a daily basis, and who just wish they could have a surefire way to potentially profit in the long run, short run, whatever it is you need. Also, like I said, I do updates on this channel or on this specific trading channel. And you can see that, like I said, Starbucks is breaking out for a second time in the day. I posted about it again. I don't leave any of my plays unfinished. I talk about them until I close the position. And that's what a lot of other people I see on YouTube don't really do with their trading groups or with their trading discords, etc. And I really hope to give you guys as much support as I can on a daily basis and on a trade by trade basis. So that's why I'm really excited to show you guys this and to offer this service as a channel so we can get closer as a community and we can start learning how to trade. So all you're going to want to do is head over to the Discord link in the description, or you're going to want to head over to the Patreon, where you can see I've created a nice looking Patreon here where you can join, which explains exactly what chats and what options you will get access to at each level. We have a silver and a gold level, and I'm 100% confident you guys will find more than $10 of value or $15 of value from each of these options. So just keep a close eye out, guys, for any future updates on the channel. As always, I really appreciate the support. Thank you to the few people who have already joined the Discord and are already enjoying it and leaving me nice comments. There's going to be a lot of testimonials coming in the future about how productive and how good this Discord is. So really give it a chance, guys. If you want to join the community, if you want to have a better way to trade, if you want to have suggestions on what to do on a daily basis, as well as someone who kind of figuratively is holding your hand, just keep a close eye out on the Discord here, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.